Microsoft Copilot, the newer version of Copilot. A long time ago, we published a video teaching little basic stuff with Copilot. But today, we're gonna deep dive through the Copilot with the newer version and early access to learn fun stuff we can do with Copilot. Of course, we can change our environment to light and dark mode, but that's not that's just the tip of the iceberg. We will learn much more than that today to really make our environment and make our desktop more productive.
This is the Copilot that I'm talking about. It is still in preview mode, but we can really take advantages of it, and we can really use new stuff and try new thing on Windows to really see, particularly in Windows 11. We may not have this yet in the standard version or the standard kind of mode. But we have it in preview mode, which is really the tip of the iceberg, but still we have fundamentals features that we can discover. First thing, it's very easy and simple interface, so there's nothing wrong with that. It has some terms and use and privacy things and all of that. If you're worried about your privacy, we've got its settings and that's it. So and we just have kind of 3-mode conversation, like more balanced, creative, and precise. Let's go with the more balanced. We like that one. So first thing first, you can create a new topic over here, and that's your topic. It suggests something for you if you are interested in, and just click on it, and then it'll give you something really to find it out. Now let's try some basics to get something really fun. So let's say change my background image. So we're gonna say change my background wallpaper. Let's do that. So we're gonna hit enter. We're gonna see really what it does. So in terms of curiosity mode, let's go to the curiosity mode and to see what it really does. Let's see if it works though. So it opens now a window. So that means it's kind of like it is not automatic yet, so it doesn't change that. Let's go a little bit. Let's really step a little bit more beyond the boundary. Okay, change my background wallpaper to white. Now let's see if it can change to some color. Now, in some scenarios, you may find Copilot troubling itself a lot in case attempting to reconnect. But still, you need a little bit of wait to really see what it works or how it works. It is still in preview mode, but it does its job fine if you wait a little bit longer. Now, we're going to wait a little bit longer, and if not, we're going to stop the responding. I guess that's our first attempt of failure, a failing attempt. But let's try again in a new topic. Now it can turn on your disturb mode and all of that, but of course it can change the dark mode to light mode. We're gonna say change to dark mode. We're gonna hit. Of course it can change that, but sometimes it is still in attempting to reconnect, which in these scenarios you may need to refresh the whole thing and restart again. Let's try again. Change my wallpaper desktop to white. Let's see if it can do that. We're trying hard on it. No. Well, it does again. It opens you the settings. So that's what it does, and it gives you the options to choose by yourself. But you can still get some tips on how to really figure it out. So another features that we already got in here is the little image. That's what I'm really interested in to talk to you with. And I'm very interested about this. So we're gonna choose an image. It says paste an image or a link, or record your voice, or upload from the device. We're gonna upload from the device. Now it doesn't work, like it doesn't pop up the window. What you can do is you can click on it again, and probably it really allows you to open that. We're gonna click and choose this image. Now we're going to say explain this or explain more. That's it. And we're going to hit enter or submit. Now, in this scenario, he analyzed the picture. And then he finds out about that. Of course, it's using Bing Chat, but let's see how the explain goes on. Of course, we need to wait a little bit longer than expected. It is a still. So the infographic that you send me compares fixed mindset and the growth mindset. Well, it does. Well, it gives you the response and all of that, which is super fantastic, and it's very nice. Of course, we can ask a human being to really describe that, but we may need to ask some complex stuff. Now, this feature is already out with ChatGPT 4, but it's more like faster there, and you don't lose connections, of course. But in here, yes, you may lose connections at all time. So already we have a good explanations, and we can say thumbs up and like it. And it says, what are some examples of, you can ask your own questions again in here to find out more about it. We can use microphone to talk about it, to really let the Microsoft know about it. How to get rich. Let me explain this, okay? How to get rich. So he responds now, probably.
Searching for how to get rich.
Now I can hear her, okay? I can listen to her. But
There's no simple or definitive answer to how to get rich, but there are some general principles and strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. Here are some of the tips that I found from various sources. Establish
now we can
financial
hear
goals
that, we can
to
really
get
hear
rich.
that it's very clear sound and it's very high quality.
Define what rich actually means.
So that's really,
Your plan to
really
become a billionaire
fantastic.
this type. Or
We're gonna stop it. We don't like it. That's the limitation. It only has 2,000 characters you can input, and then you can talk with her simultaneously with the used microphone, and then you can say, "How are you today? How are you today?"
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Now
I'm
she
always
asks
happy
me.
to chat with you and help you with your queries. How are you today?
Now you have to, of course, hit the microphone button. I'm very good, thank you. Oh, we got some typos over there, which is fine.
I'm glad to hear that you are very good. You are welcome. It's my pleasure to assist you. Do you have any other questions or requests for me?
That's what we can do with this. But let's go to the, of course, it can create a table that helps you plan meals. But the point is, it only lets you to open the Microsoft Excel Word. So it is still not integrated with the Microsoft application so far. And it doesn't really do automatic planning template. So it's searching for meal planning template. And let's see how it goes on. As we can see, it's really simple, straight. Well, it does. So as we can see, it's a clear table, and it's a clear, good thing. Well, of course, it can over here, but we need it in Microsoft Word. So we're going to say, create a weekly planner in Microsoft Word. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to see if it really does the job. So yes, I would like to open Microsoft Word. And now it helps us to kind of really, it guides us to create that one. So which is not useful. I know about this. But overall, it is a very good assistant in helping you to learn something faster and easier. But you have to be a little bit passionate about it. More precise gives you more stuff than you need in terms of precision or precise. Let's say start a focus session. This starts the focus sessions within your computer. So you can focus on new stuff and new things. So it says, would you like to start a focus sessions of 20 minutes? If I can say yes, or I can say no, and then it starts the focus. Of course, I have to choose with my mouse. And that's it for this one. It is not still integrated with any of the Microsoft PowerPoint or Excel or anything. It is still not integrated. I'm using the updated version of the Microsoft still, so it is not integrated with that. And even though it is integrated, there's a lot of bugs in there, so you may find trouble. You may find using it to really hard and tough and buggy. But it's a very good thing to try out. Still, it guides you something, and somehow we still need to wait longer than expected to this program to be fully implemented together. As we see on the ads, it's really not that one, so we need to wait about this as well. Now we're going to update Microsoft 365 and Office updates and all of that to see if it really integrates with that. But I kind of updated lately that Office as well, so I really don't expect and I don't hope that they are integrating this together, but let's hope for the best. Before that, we need to talk about writing a code for a linked list structure in C. It can help you to write codes as well. With ChatGPT 3 can do that as well. Of course, Bing uses that powered AI thing in here. So it searches the Bing and then it gives you the answer for possible code and all of that. And it helps you with that as well. But it's not super fast, so you may find sometimes a hard time connecting with that now. But as you can see, at first times it was pain in the butt, but now it is not. Now it is not. As you can see, it has a clear explanation for that, better than me. So we're gonna wait a little bit longer than expected, I guess. As we can see, there are no updates with the Copilot with PowerPoint or other programs. So we may still need time to figure it out later once they really release the new updates for this. Stay cool and have fun. See you soon.
Thank you for watching this video. I'm very excited to see you in the next video. And if you haven't really posted this video somewhere else, keep sharing it to your friend and family to make sure they stay updated with Copilot.